Hi friends, welcome back to TriniKidsTV or welcome to TriniKidsTV if this is your first time. My name is Auntie Shade and it's so very nice of you to join us today. Now let's get started with our circle time by singing our good morning song. So let's all sing together. Ready? Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, let's start by figuring out what day it is and the month of the year. Well, what day is it today? Tuesday. It's Tuesday, everyone, and it's a wonderful Tuesday. And we are in the month of April. Great job, friends. Now, let's find out about the weather. But before we do that, we need to sing our weather song. So let's sing the weather together. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Well, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Well, now, my friends, we can take a look out those windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Take a look. Yes, my friends, it's a sunny day today. Isn't that wonderful? Now, let's find out about our color of the day. Our color of the day today, friends, is the color orange. Orange is our color of the day. And you get orange by mixing red and yellow together. Can you find something at home that's our color of the day? Very good, friends. Now let's find out our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today, friends, is a diamond. A diamond is our shape of the day. Yes, and what a beautiful shape that is. Amazing, right? Now, let's talk about our number of the day. Our number of the day today, friends, is the number 7. Yes, 7 is our number of the day. And what can we do to count 7? Well, we can pretend we are climbing a ladder all the way up to heaven, okay? So let's count while we pretend that we are climbing a ladder. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing! We climbed up our imaginary ladder and made it all the way to the top. Isn't that nice, friends? We went up the ladder. Up is a direction. Up. Can we look up? Very good. Now, let's talk about our letter of the day. Our letter of the day today, friends, is the letter E. E is our letter of the day. Yes, and that's a wonderful letter. Take a look at some of these words that start with our letter of the day. Egg and easy start with the letter E. Now that we talked about our letter of the day, friends, let's find out about our area of the day. Our area of the day today comes from Trinidad. Let's jump in our boats. Our area of the day is Edinburgh. Take a look at all the places you can visit in Edinburgh in Shakonas. Very good. Isn't that an amazing area? I hope we can get a chance to visit very soon. Now, my friends, I think it's about time we start our lesson, don't you think? Yes, it's lesson time. Are you excited for today's lesson? Well, you should be. It's a fun matching game. We have to put things that go together. For example, what goes with a brush? A comb. What else? Well, if you have a toothbrush, you definitely need toothpaste. Yes, so take a look at some of these pictures and see if you can guess what comes next or what goes together. Let's figure out what goes together. And look carefully at the pictures. Toothpaste. We have a toothbrush. Next, a brush. Then a comb. Soap. And we have water. All right, let's go. Let's figure out what goes together. So, we have toothpaste and a toothbrush. That's right. And we use that to brush our teeth. Next, we have a hairbrush and a comb. That's what we use to comb our hair every day. Next, we have soap and water. Yes, we use that for bathing and washing our hands every day. Now, the other activity is to make a little grooming kit. You can put a comb, a brush, a toothbrush, whatever you like in it. Enjoy! Alright, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I know you had lots of fun and I can't wait to see you tomorrow where we have more fun activities. Can't wait to see you. Bye!